Hello friends, welcome to your own channel, and today I am going to give information about a very different idea, that is boho neutral or modern living room decor. They are all about creating a cozy and welcoming space with a relaxed bohemian vibe. The use of natural materials, warm colors, and eclectic decor creates a space that feels inviting and comfortable. When it comes to color, the neutral palette is key in creating a boho living room. Shades of beige, cream, and white create a warm and soothing ambience that complements the neutral elements of the decor. Adding a touch of greenery with plants and foliage can also enhance the natural vibe of the space. In terms of furniture, low seating options such as floor cushions and puffs are popular choices in boho living rooms. Adding a vintage or distressed rug can also add a touch of character and texture to the space. Mixing and matching furniture styles and texture and materials such as wood, wicker, and metal can create a curated and eclectic feel. When it comes to decor, the boho style is all about layering and mixing patterns, textures, and material. Adding woven wall hangings, tapestries, and macrame can add a bohemian touch to the room. Incorporating global inspired decor such as tribal prints and handcrafted items can also add a worldly flair to the space. Lighting is another important aspect of a boho living room. Adding string lights, lanterns, or vintage style lamps can add a warm and cozy ambience that is perfect for relaxing in the evening. So, in the end, a boho neutral living room decor is a perfect way to create a warm and inviting space that is perfect for unwinding and relaxation. By incorporating neutral colors, elements, eclectic furniture, and a worldly decor, a boho living room can be a cozy and welcoming haven. So, if you like our video, do tell us and subscribe us and hit the